If you use Blender for your 3D models in an Unreal Engine game and you're importing your models into Unreal Engine and they don't turn out the way you want to, it might be because of this key error that you're making. Okay, so we're here in Unreal Engine and you can take a look at this model and you can see that it's got some very, very soft edges. The shading on it just makes it look as if the edge is actually rounded. You get this weird shading here on the side where it just looks kind of dirty. All of this is a result of the way that I'm exporting the model, and I'm going to show you the correct way to do that. So here we are in Blender, and as you can see, we've got a nice clean model here with this three-way intersection, and you see these edges are nice and clean. You don't have any of that soft look that you saw in Unreal Engine, and the primary reason is the way that we're exporting these models. So let's show you how to do this properly. So when we go to FBX, we're exporting this as a FBX. We're going to go to the mesh, make sure we're only exporting the mesh, and to the geometry section. This normals only is going to be your default, and we're going to change that for the sake of these models. Since we want these to pop off on the edge, make sure they're nice and prominent on those edges, we're going to change the smoothing to be on the stuff. We're going to export that model. Then when we go back into Unreal Engine here, and we re-import this model, you can see now we've got some nice clean edges. It looks much closer to what we had going on in Blender. You don't have those soft rollover edges. The shading doesn't look weird and dirty on the sides. I hope this video was helpful for you and that it helps you better understand how to export from Blender to get it into Unreal looking really nice. If you did like the video and you got some knowledge out of it, please like the video. And if you'd like to follow along with other tips and tutorials that I'll have for Unreal Engine and Blender, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.